San Maarten orgulloso de su gobernador nobo, su excelencia Ajamu G. Baly, quien de aceptar la nominación y juramenta ayer na Holanda delante de su majestad rey Willem Alexander. Su excelencia gobernador Baly lo queda instalado en parlamento riba día de constitución, cuta día 10 de octubre 2022. Y ahora a despedir oficialmente de su excelencia Eugene Holiday de una ceremonia oficial del parlamento. Y después tabla en una misa de agradecimiento.
I was appointed Governor of St. Maarten by Kingdom Decree of September 28, 2010. On September 30th, 2010, I took the oath of office before Her Majesty Queen Beatrix, and I accepted the function as Governor of St. Maarten before the people of St. Maarten through the Parliament of St. Maarten on October 10th, 2010. On that historic day, Marie-Louise and I set out with you on a new journey into uncharted waters. In my acceptance address on October 10th, 2010, I stated, my fellow St. Martiners, today we stand at the portal of our new country, St. Maarten. From personal experience, I can inform you that the road to this moment was not smooth. But we made it. With the knowledge I acquired during that journey, I can equally inform you that the challenges ahead are immense. The tasks ahead of us are great. We will have to build critical institutions for the functioning of our parliamentary democracy from the ground up. In that regard, there rests on us a great responsibility. A responsibility to build and nurture a stronger St. Maarten for future generations. With that responsibility, we also have a great opportunity. How we address this challenge and approach this opportunity will determine our success in the discharge of our responsibilities.